Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. So guys, as you read in the title, today I am going to do no makeup look which can be done very quickly and very easily for the beginners. This is suitable for all the office goers and college students, guys. So actually this is my go look whenever I was late to my office. I used to just do this and run out of my house. I hope you guys also liked it. So what I've done is I've used very minimal products and I'm showing you how you can use a product in multiple ways so that your time doesn't waste when you're in a hurry. So that's what I've tried to do here. I've used very less products which can be used multi-purposely, and how nicely you can get this look. This is the look which I've done. I hope you guys will like it. So let's get to the video. Okay guys, so let's start with the makeup. So for the base, I'm using Lakme 925cc cream in the shade Honey 02. This gives very natural look guys, and it evens out your skin. It doesn't cover your face that much, but it gives, as it says, it gives complexion care cream. So it gives a good complexion, and this is also called as tinted moisturizer. So you don't need to use moisturizer if you're using this, but for the dry skin people, they can use moisturizer. You guys can also use BB cream also, whichever is good to you, you can use that. So I'll start this, and this also has SPF 30 PA++, so that's why I consider using this.
And this blends really well guys and fast, so your time will be not wasted. I'm using more on my forehead and my under eye side, above the eyes. So for blending, I usually prefer a blending brush. So this is what I prefer. I just go with the circular motion. You can also use your hand for blending just by don't drag it like this, just tap it with your fingers. But it takes a lot of time, so blending with a brush or a wet sponge is preferable. You can see, so you can also blend with your hands. So after that,
I'm using Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade medium 20. So the guys who have dry skin, they can just skip the powder thing, or they can just put on your eyes. I have oily skin, so I'm using this. So what I usually do is I'll take it and I'll apply it under and over my eyes, and whatever the excess is there, I'll just apply to other part of my face.
I do the same thing to the other side also. By this, the powder will not be excess also. The powder will be excess, it looks patchy. And just damp the powder like this. And now I'm going
Maybelline Nudes palette as my eyebrow filler. So for my eyebrow filler, I'm using ProArt P27 eyebrow pencil. So this is really nice for eyebrows. I'm using this brown and the gray one. So what I use is I take brown a lot and just a touch of gray. Take all the excess and just fill it. So when you're filling it, you should just see the hair growth of the hair. When the growth is towards sides, you have to apply the product towards sides. Here the hair growth is towards upwards, so you have to apply the product towards upwards. So this side I'm just filling it. I don't need to much recreation or correcting it. What are the excess is there, I'll just apply it to my front.
to the other side of my brows. As you can see here, I have less hairs compared to this side. So what I do is I fill that. Correct that. and just comb it down. This helps in taking all the excess product out and it evens out.
I'll go for my eyes. I'll take this matte creamy shade over here for my base. You can see the difference of two sides already. So base helps in applying and blending the other products easily. So for my crease, I'll take this dark brown and light brown shade. I'll mix and I'll do my crease. So I'll apply all the products to my end of the eyes. And just the excess product I'll just go with inside. This is just like giving outline to my eyes. Later you can darken out. For starting you just do this. Later I'm just taking only brown shade and just applying. Now what I'm going to do is I'll mix this and this color over here. I'll just take it in my ring finger and apply it to my eyes. I'll just tap it. If you want, you can just blend it with your fingers only. So what I'll do is I'll just take a bit of touch of grey and just apply it in my corners and blend everything nicely. It just gives a depth to my eyes.
This shade and apply it to my inner corners. And for my eyebrows, I'm taking this shade as highlighting, like for brow bone.
A kajal. Guys, I'll leave all the links in the description box of the products which I'm using here. I'll show you what I do for my contouring also. As you can see, I have a dark brown and a light brown. I'll just apply it. If you are in a hurry, you don't have time to search for all the products and use all the products. So this is how you can use multiple products, multiple uses of one product. So I'll use the same thing for my double chin. So next, for the blush, what I am using is the same is the lipstick which I'm using for the lips. This is the this is the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. So what I do is I'll take 1 or 2 dots to my cheeks and just blend it. highlighter. I'm using the same shade I use for my brow bone. This gives very natural highlighting effect and it doesn't give a patchy look. This is the best palette for the people who use it as a multiple uses. On my lips I'm using Miss Claire Glimmer Stick in the shade Coffee Brown Health 01. This is a dark brown lipstick. I like this way, so I'll use a dark lip liner and I'll fill it with a light lipstick. So I am using the same Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose, and this is suitable for people who have fair to medium skin. People who are deeper skin, they can use Cafe Mocha in Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick. I'm just filling inside the line. I'll use Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Okay guys, so this is the makeup look which I have done. I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to show you how you can do a good makeup with just minimal products. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please give a like to my video, and if you have any suggestions and any feedback, please feel free to give a comment in my comment box. And guys, please do subscribe to my channel and support me, and please share this video to all your friends and family so that they can watch this video. And please press the bell icon button which is next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll get a notification. I upload video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday guys, so don't forget to watch. Okay guys, so I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.